Hey, welcome to another episode of Geek Money Live. So side gigs. You've probably seen tons of videos on YouTube talking about side gig jobs, businesses, hustles, whatever the case might be, there's going to be a side gig for it. And you've probably also seen videos talking about how you could make hundreds of dollars per day or thousands of dollars doing just side gigs. So what is the reality, and do these things really work? Well, as somebody who's tried many side gigs, including Amazon MTech for crowdsourcing jobs, I've tried freelance writing, I've tried Fiverr, Upwork, I've also tried usertesting.com where you actually review websites. I've done surveys. I've probably done most of those side gigs that these videos talk about and how you could actually make money from it. Now, there is one thing I do want to mention. There is some truth to it. You can make money, but ask yourself this question. How are these people actually making money on these YouTube videos? Are they making it off of their side gigs, or are they really making their money off of their YouTube videos and all the views that they get for these side gig videos? So you probably know the answer to that. So in the real world, you can make some money from these side gigs. But in reality, you're not going to make much money. You're not going to make consistent money. And for most people, it's not going to be enough money where you're making hundreds or thousands of dollars like a lot of these videos are touting. So if you could actually find a way to make $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 per day just doing side gigs, well, that's absolutely incredible. And even if you are able to do that, is it a long-term sustainable thing? And for most people who try these things like I have myself, it's really not. And really, it's more like side money. But in order for you to make a lot of money, then you're probably going to need to do something else, which leads me to the quote-unquote best side gigs. So this is something I think most of us can do, and it's not really any of these things that people listed. I would say the best side gigs are the ones that you could actually do with the experience and skills that you have. So just think about what you already know how to do, and then you could look for work doing that. And that, in my opinion, is the best side gigs, because in this case, you're finding something that you already have experience and skills with. And in another case, since you've already done or already doing this thing, it's going to be a lot easier for you to transition over to these side gigs works that could actually bring you in a lot of income, even full-time income. And that's actually what I've experienced myself. After trying so many of these side gigs, I found that the majority of them didn't make enough money, and more importantly, most of them didn't really align with my experience and skills, and most of them I didn't really enjoy doing. So that's why if you are thinking of doing a side gig, think about what you can do well first. And in terms of where you could actually find work, in my personal opinion, Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, it's really hard to find work there. And I'm going to make it super simple. Just go to this job, business, freelancing website called Indeed.com. Now, a lot of people don't see it as more than just a job site, but honestly, 99% of all the freelancing, client, and job work that I found has been through Indeed.com, and it's free. So I just gave you basically the only things that you really need to do to get a real side gig job that actually pays you real money based upon skills and experience that you have in the real world. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you actually do side gigs, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Set up your business easily and legally with incredibly affordable rates at Incfile. Join more than 500,000 businesses and launch your business today. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.